Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing, favorite season. Sleigh bells ringing.
Okay, yeah, it's going to Mimi's house, that's right. Hey guys, hope you guys are doing well. So Momsy got back today. I'm just about heading out. Yes, I'm going to drop Mia Rose. I'm going to drop Mia Rose at Momsy's place, and then I'm heading over to Crush Cafe at Barimpa. I got invited to an influencer thing today, so I'm heading there. Let me just drop Mia Rose over there and then head out. So let's go.
Much later.
Hey guys, how are you guys doing? So I just got to my friend Wura's house. Her twins turned 1 today and they're having a little house party for them, so that's where I came to this evening. It's literally 5 o'clock. Yeah, my original plan was to go somewhere else and then come here, but I didn't go to that place again, so now I'm here. And yeah, anyway guys, let's go in and go and celebrate with those cute little twins. Okay, I'm wearing this jumpsuit from Wura.ng, girl. This black jumpsuit, and I really love it. It's so comfy, so cute. I love it. So yeah guys, let's go in and see what's going on.
Good time. I hear those jingle bells, people singing about love. It feels like I'm a kid, like I'm forever young. And that's why I wanna sing about the Christmas on its way. A reason to hang around and celebrate this day. Everyone's smiling and it's snowing. It's the time of year again. I'm happy you're here, my winter wonderland. No, it's the time of year, winter wonderland. My winter wonderland is the time of year.
And guess what? It's the chicken I fried and brother. That's what she put her. No, I said. In fact, I wanted to force myself. I put the first one.
You know, jail.
I just said, please see, just carry. I wanted to cry.
What are you doing?
I'm just kidding. I said, well, they have to now, and I was so hungry in the afternoon. You know. I was what are you doing? Make me exactly. It was in the night. She was not asking me, Mommy, what do you want to eat? Mommy, what do you want to eat? She now later went and boiled rice. I think they had vegetable stew. She now boiled rice. 2 months I want to kiss Mississippi that day that I was lying down here with you. Other Mississippi chewing gum. And you know me, when it comes to offense salad, I'm very choosy. It had to be well made. I said, please, don't treat me well. Was she not in the house for 1 week? She was so upset. Because she knows how I prepare for people when they are coming. You know? She was so upset. I told her that I now ate. Who gave you chewing gum? I told her that I now ate.
Who gave you chewing gum?
And egg. She said, no, I can't even believe this.
Oh no.
That's so.
Who gave you that chewing gum? Eh? How are you? Say hi.
I know that.
Say Merry Christmas. Say Merry Christmas.
Chukwuaza will make sure that I have fresh face.
Wow, Mom.
Yes,
Mama. This woman. Say Merry Christmas. Say Merry Christmas. Yeah. Aftermath of the return of Momsy. We done the open since yesterday. This woman traveled with 2 boxes and came back with 4, plus hand luggage 5. Can you beat that? Can you just beat that? Mommy, I can't believe that all this is chocolates. I'm telling you. How can all this be chocolates?
That's why immediately I emptied everything. I said, okay, it's only chocolates. I packed
inside that box. It's just chocolate. You guys, this thing is heavy.
You know what Auntie was telling me?
What the hell?
Auntie said, but that is where Isaiah Simon was. That moment she heard you were coming,
she chattered
came and dumped the chocolate and said, I know I'm not gonna see Bernie, but this is for Bernie. She just dumped them. Oh my God. Long before I came.
Yeah, I know that's the one. Mimi, what are you doing?
She has adopt water later.
She has given you so that you rest. So who will bring it?
At least you
Now let me start selecting my chocolates. Bikonu. I know fish out. See pants inside chocolate bag.
I'm trying to look for the pack because I know I bought some.
Come see you chat a show.
So I now bought this.
Oh, I love Twizzlers. Okay, this one's like Twizzlers and Jolly Ranchers. These ones are not chocolates.
Yeah.
Jolly Ranchers and Twizzlers. I love these.
What are they?
Like all these what do you call it now? Candy. More or less, yeah, more like candy, not chocolate. Candy assortment. I'm saying now, wow. You don't work for chocolate factory. What's happening?
Not be my
Your sister-in-law.
no, my younger brother's ex-wife now.
Yeah.
That's Isaiah's mom.
Oh yeah.
What's her name again?
Stacy.
She works in Hershey.
It's not that she works in Hershey.
Chocolate factory.
It's not chocolate. Jehovah's have a
Bring that one next to the phone at corner.
Oh my God. Candy pack.
You want to carry this bag?
Wait
Do you want to
first.
carry this?
Because it has lollipop that maybe don't we like. I mean, God, just give us this one and then one chocolate one. Mommy, yes, you went to America for us, Mom.
Really?
Yes, you did.
You're not talking like your sister-in-law.
Oh, yeah.
Your brother's wife.
Lotto,
Yes,
yeah.
no.
Yes, no, you did.
Yes, no. They should tell her husband what I did.
No. We've Nigerianized our Jamaican princess.
That teaching her pidgin. That teaching her pidgin English.
Mommy, why? I wish Melba was here to see what you are doing. Why are you doing this now, Mommy?
See this one.
What's this one?
Baby.
Okay.
Nuts.
No, this one has nuts. You know Mimi doesn't take nuts. Mimi is allergic to nuts.
Maybe I will open this one and we'll pick.
Maybe I'll just pick from it. I think that's better. Okay, this is the bigger candy one of that. Okay, so it also has chocolate, so here I'll pick from here. I'll pick from here and I'll leave you alone, Mommy. Since you want to give other people chocolate more than your own child. I don't know why you treat me like this woman. I'm your first daughter, the first child. Why do you treat me like this, Mommy?
One of your subscribers said, I just love the way she calls you Mama.
Yeah. Right from when I was born. Mama. That's my house name. Hi guys, hope you guys are doing good. So I'm basically at home right now, back home. Today's Christmas Eve and I just spent the entire day with my folks. So yeah, by the time you're watching this video, it's Christmas. So Merry Christmas to you and to yours. I hope that this Christmas brings you glad and new tidings. I hope that all your dreams come true, and I pray you have happiness, joy and peace and so much love this beautiful season of Christmas. Okay, Merry Christmas to you if you are watching this on Christmas Day. All right, okay, so really quickly I want to select the winner for my giveaway, my Christmas giveaway in collaboration with Wura.ng. A few vlogs ago I did mention I was giving out a jumpsuit to one of you. If you're based in Abuja, I asked you to enter the giveaway and everything. So I really don't know how I'm going to select this winner, to be honest, and I'm low-key thinking that the best way to select this winner is to pick the 25th comment, since Christmas Day falls on the 25th of December. Okay, I just thought about that. Like, I was thinking about how to pick the winner and I just thought about that like at the top of my head. So let me just quickly go and open the video. I'll show you guys what I'm doing in a second. All right, so this is the vlog where I hosted the giveaway. So I'm just going to start counting, and hopefully the 25th comment is a comment with regards to the giveaway. Usually, depending on who is watching, you know, a video, YouTube reshuffles these comments. They don't always appear in chronological order. So if you check on your end, it may not be the exact same comments that will be the 25th comment, but I'm just going to check on my own end. Okay, all right, so let's count. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Okay. The 25th comments I'm seeing here, thank God, it is with regards to the giveaway, and it is by Hosanna Rasong. The comment says, super proud of Mia. Congratulations, mama. I would love to win this jumpsuit because 1, I have never won anything on social media. Aww. 2, I am so in love with jumpsuits and this will be a beautiful addition. 3, I am your junior from your alma mater, RP. 4, I am an addict of your channel. With these few points of mine, I think I am deserving. LOL. Merry Christmas, mama. Well, congratulations, Susanna. You just won this lovely jumpsuit. This comment was the 25th comment on this video, and in the spirit of Christmas being on December 25th, I am picking you as my winner. So congratulations to you, Hosanna. If you're watching this, make sure you send me a DM on Instagram, okay, so that you can claim your prize, or so I can send your prize to you. Congratulations again to you. All right, so I hope that was fair enough. It seems fair enough to me. Congratulations to you, Hosanna. Yeah, I probably will reply on this comment again as well, just in case you don't see this vlog on time. Yeah, guys, that's all I have for you guys in today's vlog. Okay, today's vlog is just basically a short vlog and just coming to the end of Vlogmas finally. Oh my god, finally we have come to the end of Vlogmas, and at this point I am finally leaving YouTube. At this point, okay, I am finally leaving YouTube, but just for a little bit, just for me to recuperate and rejuvenate and everything, because it has been one heck of a year on this platform called YouTube. I need some time, man. I need some time away, so I will be leaving YouTube for a little bit. I may throw in one more video before the year ends, maybe whatever we get up to today, being Christmas, today that you're watching this video, whatever we get up to, I will probably do a vlog on that and throw that in just before the year ends or something. But aside that, I don't intend to put out any videos until January, and I'm not even talking first week in January. I'm talking like maybe second week in January, because man, I need the break. So yes, guys, I hope you guys don't miss me too much. I will definitely meet you guys on here, but it's just for a little while, okay, a little while, and I'll be back. Hope you guys enjoyed watching today's Vlogmas video, the last Vlogmas video of the year. Are you guys hearing bah bah bah? They're already throwing bango. 12 o'clock never had issue. They're already throwing knockouts. But yeah, guys, anyways, hope you guys enjoyed watching. If you enjoyed watching, let me know in the comments. Did you enjoy watching my version of this year's Vlogmas? Let me also know in the comments, because I worked my butt off. At this point, I'm not even sure how many videos I put out this month. I don't know if they're up to 20 videos. I don't think they're up to 20 videos. Let me just do a little rundown and see how many videos that I put out in the month of December. Okay, Vlogmas should have been 25 videos, but let me just do a little rundown and see how many videos that we put out this month for Vlogmas. Okay, so 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 12 13 14 18 19 20. This video is the 20th video, so I missed just 5 days at different points in the month, which to be honest is still okay. Last year I put out 21 videos and I was so proud of myself. So this year it was 20 videos and I'm still super proud of myself. That is amazing. Anyway, guys, that's all I have for you guys in this video, and I'll see you guys in my next one, whenever that will be. Mwah. Bye.